Hi guys, in this video I will be doing something that I haven't done in over 2 years. Exhibit A being the thumbnail that I will show on the screen. And yes, I will be doing a flexi rod set on my natural hair using a product that is new to me. So if you're interested in seeing how I will do these flexi rods and the product that I will be using, keep on watching. So I have put leave-in conditioner in my hair, and now what I'm going to do is section off my hair. Although I don't want crispy parts, I do want some type of uniformity. So I am going to section off the hair, and I am actually a little nervous about the outcome of this style because the last time I did the rod set I didn't really like it too much, but here we are again. Just spritzing a little bit of water just so that the area can be moisturized, and I'm going to split this in two. Okay, so the product that I'll be using is this one from Tgin. It is the Honey Whip Hydrating Mousse. I have barely used any Tgin products in my hair. The only other time was the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer that I used years ago, and really and truly I have high hopes for this mousse. It does smell kind of like alcohol, but at the same time I think that would be the agave nectar. I don't know what agave nectar smells like, but I'm assuming that that's what's giving off that scent. So I am just going to take one pump and just run it through my hair, and as you're seeing, it's foaming up really nicely. So you know I don't need a lot of product. Oh wow, I think I would love this for a wash and go. Stay tuned for that video and let me know in the comments, based on these results here, if you'd like to see me do a wash and go with this product, because I think that it will turn out well. Yes, I do. All right, so since the area is small, I don't necessarily want a big flexi rod, so I'm going to take one about this size, and what I'm going to do is really have to spritz the area again because I don't want it to get too dry. So what I'm going to do is start at the bottom and really and truly just wrap the end around each other just to make sure that everything is wrapped. Taking my time and just carefully wrapping, because after watching tutorials, that determines the success or failure of the style. And I'm just going to continue wrapping the hair as tightly around the flexi rod as possible. So now that that is done, I'm just going to wrap the top. And I am also going to wrap the bottom just to be on the safe side. This is what it is looking like. And that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. So I'll be back with the finished wet results. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Alrighty, so here are the wet results because some parts have already started drying. So yes, these are the wet results like I said, and I will show you quickly before I blow dry my, well, I'll hover the blow dryer over my hair. I actually attempted to do a flexi rod set before this video and it turned out horribly in my estimation, just because I didn't really pay too much attention to the back and I wasn't that careful when wrapping the hair around the flexi rod, so it didn't really curl as much as I wanted to. But no, I did, and I'm filming this for the second time, so I will go ahead and I will hover the blow dryer over my hair and I'll be back to unravel the results. Alright y'all, since mousses don't take that long to dry, I hovered the blow dryer over my hair and now I think, keyword think, that my hair is ready to be unraveled. So I will unravel the first one off camera, and if it is wet, I will hover the blow dryer over the area because I am not going to let the style fail again. So I will do that on camera right now. I will take this one that is at the front and it feels dry. So I will just unravel. And this is what the first one is looking like. So I think we're good to go. Let's see. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Alright, so this is slightly better than the other results. I'm not really expecting fully defined results because indeed I do have to perfect the technique that I have chosen to use, and on top of that, this mousse in particular doesn't strike me as a type to give a strong hold. It does say a lightweight mousse, so I don't think that it would give me a strong hold, but I will unravel. I will just show you what I will do. So for this piece here, I will just separate and I will twirl with my finger just to keep definition as much as possible. And then I just plan on doing that for the rest of my hair, and I will see how it turns out. Transparency. Alright y'all, so here are the final results. I must say I like the fluffy look, but my hair is not going to last long. I know that the ends will still be pretty defined as you're seeing, but the middle of my hair will not last long, so I will have to pin it in a claw clip hairstyle just so that I can have the ends out, and probably just leave the bangs out as well. That's if these remain defined, but I don't mind the fluffy look. Actually, let me know what you think in the comments, because some may say that my hair isn't done, some may say that it doesn't look good, some may say that it looks good. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion. I will show you a 360 and I will end the video afterwards. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh. I know that this will not last long. I do not anticipate it lasting more than 2 days at most. So this is the end of this video, my trial and error with flexi rods, because I haven't completely gotten the hang of flexi rods. Give me a perm rod, I'll be good to go, but flexi rods need a bit of work. If you have any tips for flexi rods in the comments, definitely let me know. I'd love to hear your tips, and thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and share this video with someone who's interested in just seeing trial and error when it comes to naturals doing a flexi rod sets. Definitely send this video to them, and while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.